god, I'm the luckiest girl in the world.
Hi my Leila Land lovelies, how are you all? It's wonderful to see you again. Today I am very excited to be doing this video because I have been very luckily sent by the gorgeous people over at Influencer this package from Marc Jacobs Beauty, which I am very excited about. And I believe it is their new gel matte eyeliners, which are called Highliners, which I am very excited about because from what I've seen of those so far, they look super stunning, beautiful pigmentation, beautiful colours. So I'm really excited to jump in and test these out for you today. I have pre-done my brows because I hate doing them on camera, and I'm really happy that I didn't do them on camera because they have been a nightmare. I have been super lucky and I have been sent these for free to test out, but I am under no obligation to like them, or I haven't been told what to say. As usual, everything on here is my honest opinion. I do not suck up to anybody. If I don't like something, I don't like it. If I do like it, I will absolutely rave about it, as you know. So let's crack on, shall we? Okay, so I have got two of the Marc Jacobs highliners. They are matte gel eye crayon. Matte gel crayon. Okay, right, yeah, we can do this. They look super stylish. It's that kind of brushed aluminium effect almost, which I really like. So it's the silver packaging, it says Marc Jacobs down there. They're actually really weighty. The feels a really good weight to them. They don't seem flimsy. They feel really solidly made. Solidly made, that a thing? 'Tis now! So we've got the red, as you can see there, and that is the shade Popular. So if we open that, we've got the gel crayon in there, which you can twist to extend up, and it is retractable as well, so you can wind that back down. Hello. And then we have this one, which is a blue and is called Overnight, and this is the one I'm going to be using in this video. I am going to be doing 2 more videos with these, so make sure you subscribed if you want to see what I'm going to do with the other 2 videos. So as I say, I've got the red and I've got the blue. There are lots and lots of different ways that Marc Jacobs are showing these being worn and being used, and different ideas of how to wear them that's a little bit different to your standard eyeliner. So I'm going to be following a couple of those, and today I'm going to do something called Undersmoking, which they've been doing on their YouTube channel, which I think just looks super effective and just a bit different, but doesn't take a lot of time and isn't too difficult to do. It's a really simple look, but really effective. So stick with us and we will do that one now using the Marc Jacobs Beauty Highliner in Overnight. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my primer and my foundation first, and we'll be back in a second to talk about the highliner. Right, so that's all gone really well. So for some reason, my foundation is making me look like Casper on camera. I promise you it is not this blindingly white in person. I mean, I know I'm pale, but come on. Roll on the contouring and bronzing, I say. Right then, let's get going with this here eyeliner. And so excited. So excited. So, let me talk you through the pencil, which I know sounds really stupid, but just go with me because there are secret little bits to go on. So we take the lid off, we've got the crayon there. We can then, as I said, wind it out and retract it as well, which I just think is super useful, and you're never going to waste the product, which I love because this is a higher end product, so we don't want any waste, thank you very much. However, if you can see, the bit that you turn here is from here up to here. This black bit on the end though, you can actually take off, and is a little secret sharpener for the crayon, which I think is brilliant. It's not a sharpener with a blade that I can tell, but the actual crayon is so soft and gel-like, obviously, because it's gel, but it's super soft, so you can probably just kind of wipe a tissue around it to put it back into a point, and I think this just shapes it again rather than actually sharpens it and takes any edges off like a pencil would, if that makes sense. So that, as I said, literally just comes out at the end, so that's super handy. I mean, I am all for easy to transport makeup items. I always love things like this when I'm going to stay at Paul's house, if I go on a Saturday and we're going out, to be able to have a big palette with a decent sized mirror, something like this where I've got everything I need for that product in the one product is super, super brilliant for me. So I like the fact that it comes with its own little sharpener as well. I like that. Please excuse the eyebrows as well, because somehow putting my foundation on, I've managed to smudge my eyebrows as well. Honestly, my eyebrows some days are the bane of my life. Right, as I say, we're going to do something called undersmoking now. Okay, so in the press release that we've been sent, it does say that you only have about 15 seconds to work with it before it sets and won't budge. So if you are wanting to smudge it or smoke it or anything like that, you do need to work quickly. So let's crack on, shall we? So I'm just going to take it along the lower lash line, and not being very precise because I want it to be smudged and smoky. So let's just get on with it. I'm so excited to use this. Oh my God! I am honestly barely touching my eye, and the amount of colour and vibrancy that is going on is amazing. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So now we get a cotton bud and just, oh my God. That is so soft and beautiful. And it's smudging rather than taking it off again. Oh, wow. Oh my God, I'm the luckiest girl in the world. Most of the makeup now that's coming out is amazingly kind of super stay and will not budge, but a lot of those I find I can't work with because they won't smudge properly like they used to. So I end up trying to find a really soft crayon that I can smudge, but then because it's so soft and movable, it kind of doesn't stay put. So Marc Jacobs Beauty, you may have solved all my problems there. That's amazing. That is amazing. And that is honestly, I have not put a lot of product on there at all, and look at that colour payoff. That is amazing. Right, so let's see how well that layers up then, and let's make this a really bold undersmoke look. I don't know if you can see there, but I've actually kind of made it thicker at this end, and then I've made it kind of taper in again up here. But if you notice, I didn't take the pencil all the way to the corner, and when I've been smudging it, I've used that to kind of bring it round. So don't know if you can actually pick it up on camera, but it gives that kind of ombre gradient effect up to the inner corner of your eye, which is brilliant. And then I've kind of used it to drag down a little bit at the ends. And any bits that you've kind of rubbed a bit too much or you've been a bit too happy with the smudging, and you've kind of got some gaps where you wanted a bit more intensity, it is so easy to just go and fill in without, it doesn't leave any kind of marks where you can see the strokes that you've done. So that is amazing. Right, let's do the other eye now. So that is both eyes done. That was so easy to get them really level as well. That is such a quick and easy product to use. Right, let me just go and do the rest of my face, and then I will come back and let you know exactly what I thought. Right, okay, so this is the whole look. I have now contoured, blushed, lip, mascara. But you will notice I've left my entire makeup really, really nude and really, really simple. And that is because I want the eyeliner and I want this undersmoke to be kind of the star of the show. And I've only just realised how much I am kind of matching my jumper right now. So I look like part of my jumper. So that's worked out really well. Another thing as well, I was thinking whilst I was putting my mascara on, I do have really, really long, really, really thick bottom lashes, which never really get to be the star of the show because it's usually all about the upper lid. So I'm really liking making the focal point the lower lash line and the lower lashes, because they never get to show themselves off, and I think they should do. So yeah, I am super impressed with this. So this is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Highliner. It's the gel matte crayon, so it goes on really easily. I was super impressed with the texture of it. It's really soft. It doesn't drag on the eye area, which obviously is a sensitive area. We don't want that pulling and dragging all over the show. The only drag I am interested in is my queens, not around my eye. Thank you very much, Lingtons. Yeah, I love the colour. I think the colour is incredible. It's really vivid, really, really bright, super easy to use. I was a little concerned because the actual pencil is so soft, and I thought, am I going to use a lot of it because it's going to go down quite quickly when I'm using it, but it doesn't. I've been really impressed with that. It does come with its own sharpener as well, which I think suits the texture of it. So if you put this in a standard sharpener, you're not going to get very far. But this actually reshapes it into that really good point, which I love. I love that it retracts as well. I love the feel of it. It's that really nice kind of brushed metal feel to it, which just feels really nice to use. So yeah, all in all, I have been incredibly impressed with this one. So thank you so much for sending me this to test. I've really enjoyed testing it. I do have 2 more looks to do for you on my channel using the red one and then using both of them, so stay tuned for that one. If you have liked this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe down below if you haven't already. As I say, stick your notification bell on because there are 2 more videos coming testing these products in different ways, different colours, different combinations, so stick around for those. And yeah, thanks for watching. Whatever you're doing, have a lovely time. I love you very much and I will see you in my next video.